What up, guys? It's Sunday, about 9 o'clock in the morning. Been up since 8. I'm gonna drop this trans, fix the synchro. Hopefully the synchro should be, it should be the synchro. That's always with grinds. I'm gonna get some oil right now, and then I'm heading to my dad's job to meet up with Brian, the one that does my transmission and stuff. So I'm gonna go get some oil, and yeah, get the day started. So we got the car here, and my luck, fucking fourth gear just started grinding as soon as we got here. So took out the pedal stopper to see if the pedal stopper was the issue. I don't think it was the issue, but we're gonna check it out. Brian's here, the trans guy. He brought all the stuff. He brought some set of synchro. So no idea. It was third is grinding, and literally as soon as I got here, fourth started grinding. So I'm gonna take everything from here, access everything out, and then work our way back to the top, drop it, open it, and then we should be good. Hopefully it ain't nothing crazy. All right, so I'm doing this side right now. Brian has taken out all this shit in it's been like probably 40 seconds. Just gotta pull the axle out, just drained it right now, and then I'm gonna go to the other side. He's doing a half shaft right now. Basically, you gotta do that side and then do up top, and then it should be ready to drop down. All right, so Brian did the fucking trans super fast. I did both sides, both factors, took everything else out on the side. Bitch pin out, the basics to do everything. So I did everything in like 2 minutes. So we've been doing pretty good, right? My guy right here. Came all the way from Long Island, put the GPS on, ended up in the Bronx. Ended up in the Bronx, but thank God. You know what's crazy? The Bronx is not far from it because once you cross that bridge. So yeah, so now I just gotta take off the top stuff, and yeah, then we should be ready to just drop it. We spoil you right now because we got the lift, but it's good. Brian over here is too tall for the lift, and we got it all the way to the top, and I'm too short, so I'm like fucking tippy-toeing trying to take boats out and shit. But yeah, we're moving good right now.
Is everything on?
I think, just double check real quick. I think everything is out though. Axles, you took all the bolts out.
Yeah. Alright.
Higher or you good?
No, it's good.
Alright, so now you're gonna wiggle it and I go. You want me to go down already or not?
That shit ain't even budging.
Took everything out though, right?
You wanna try with it? Try with it.
The T-bracket one doesn't go, no.
No, it's just this.
Oh wait, I gotta unplug this too.
What's that? Oh yeah, for the PSS. It might not wiggle because of the mount.
Yeah, it is because of this. So I should just bring it up a little bit, right?
Mm-hmm.
See if it just drops a little bit.
Let him in.
Oh, that's the fucking trunk.
Oh, the trunk.
Let me go low, 'cause then it's probably
Nah, hold on, it's coming down.
Is vlogging it here.
Vlogging and working.
Like you be so into like I want to get it done that like you forget.
I thought you would have brought your good camera.
So I started vlogging on this one because this one vlogs good, but the only thing is that the other one, like any little movement, it shakes a lot. But I like the quality of the other one.
Hey,
I like this one. I like this one shoots 4K. No, the other one doesn't. The other one's 1080. This one shoots 4K and it looks great. But I like now that I'm looking back at it, the color and the contrast of the other one, it looks on the other one looks a little bit better. This one's more like dry.
Yo, I got a galaxy right there.
No, that shit is even worse.
Hmm?
All right.
Deep. Oh,
I
man.
have to call a little bit.
Go. There you go. Is it on? Let's see.
Yeah, just bring up the car. I can maneuver it well.
Let me know.
Go ahead, you quit.
How the car looks good?
Huh?
The flower looks good? Looks good, right?
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah, it's not scratch.
no? starter then. The starters was missing that fucking. Ah! Ah! Yo! How you doing? Fucking shit is just moving. Alright, so taking off the casing, auto casing. Then we gotta crack this one, right?
Yeah.
And take out, what is it, the little wing, right?
Reverse, the balls,
And we're on our way. See how these fucking sinkers fucked up. Alright, so Brian, explain what's going on.
Yeah, this is your
It's fourth gear, right?
fourth gear spring.
Yeah, we opened it and it was just fucking
Chilling.
it was just floating in there.
It's chilling.
So fourth gear is grinding because that's what
was in the way.
it's like there's no it was hitting that, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then third gear synchro is bad by itself. That's the carbon synchro, right?
I think so. We're about to check it out.
So he's about to open it, check it out. But this shit was literally just fucking dancing in there. And yeah, this is weird because I've never done a fourth gear pull, nothing, bro, ever.
Could have been on dyno.
True, but that's bad then. Long time I should making too much fucking power. So thank God, Brian called Tom from Full Throttle. He's about to do me the biggest favor. It's Sunday. He's about to go and open the shop for me, so I can go and get a set of springs. Because Brian said since we're gonna take it out, might as well replace all of them now. I mean, we already placed. No, we didn't replace the spring. Did we replace the spring before?
Yeah, it came with the whole kit.
But I guess just to be safe, change them all again. Might as well since we already got this shit opened up. But yeah, so we're gonna check, make sure everything else is good on there, and then we're gonna head to the shop. So shout out to my guy Tom.
Yeah, see, it's carbon.
It's carbon, right? Fucking dude, look, you can see the scratches, right?
But look, it's supposed to be a gap in between. Like, give me the old one. The other one I took out.
It's over here. That one don't have a gap? That's probably because it's carbon, right?
It's flat, man.
Oh, that's why it's literally fucking grinding on it. Because them shits is basura. I mean, they're
Look,
not bad, but I know.
There's nothing gripping.
Yeah. There's like no, yeah, it's just fucking grinding on
Watch
it.
this one. See it again?
What the? So that means this shit just grinded down from the inside. This is what somebody also told me that they don't like them because they get grinded down from the inside.
Quick.
If I didn't have my Yeezys on, I would have kicked it. If I had kicked it, kick it. Ready? Give it a kick. Give it a kick. Wait. The car's there. Kick it that way. Ready? Kick it. Kick it. Go. Fuck that shit. Yo. Alright, so Brian got a Synchrotech set of synchros. Wait, so this is brand new, right? So can I just use this one or?
You can use that one. Okay.
You sure it's brand new?
I mean, I got brand new ones. If you want to use that one, you want to use mine.
I'll use one of yours just to play it safe because I don't know why we changed this.
That's what I'm saying. I think the rest of them is carbon. That's what. No, these are brass.
They were all brass, bro. That one we changed
Was
carbon because your boy came and we needed it right there. He was like, "My boy got a carbon one," and I was like, "Fuck it," and I look what carbon did.
Yeah, I don't like how this looks.
On which one?
On the slide. See how it's supposed to be like pointed?
Yeah.
It's a little grind down because of the shit that broke.
Because you went to school with me.
Tom, the fucking goat, bro. Opening up just for me, bro. The guy's a fucking goat, bro.
No, we gotta leave the clothes and shit.
Bro, thank you, bro, for real. Yo, Tom, remember I was telling you that third gear was grinding?
Yeah.
Bro, tell him what the fuck the whole spring is out on fourth.
So it's the fourth spring that's fucking you up in third?
No.
Third gear synchro was fucked up, and then fourth started grinding.
Literally, bro, as soon as I got to the garage, I'm like,
The spring broke in half.
bro, literally, I'm like, oh, well.
You
at
know
least,
that shit
at
happens
least.
with synchro too. He's like, nah, I got it.
Yeah, the teeth and shit are good on this one.
So
sir.
Call it 150.
150. All right, so we back. There goes the gap we had on that one. That one is,
Feel that one.
yeah, it feels like I'm having sex. Now that one feels like I'm having some rough, dry ass sex. You can even hear it when you. It's like, it makes like a
They make it
like a
crunchy
crunch,
noise.
yeah.
Where's the spring at?
So yeah, put the third gear synchro already. I gotta do the hub and slide on that one. Put the springs on, and then we should be go. Should be good. That LSD looking nice and stacked. Yeah, everything else looks good. Thank God you made me get the third gear engagement teeth too last time, remember?
Mm-hmm.
So basically everything on the shit is new now. Everything. We literally changed everything. And the only thing we haven't changed itself is the gear, but the gear is fine though. Let's see
So
if it
you
has,
see how tight it is?
so now it has a, does it have the tight fit?
Yeah, feel it.
Yeah.
See?
Oh yeah, nice.
It sticks on there.
Oh, bro, that's all it is. That's it. It's got a new starter. That one's gonna pick this up. Chilling. It's not OEM, but you ain't gonna find no OEM one like this brand new. My dad brought the silicone also. Brian's putting the transfer case back on. I mean, wow, that's it. The transfer case, the auto case. It should be good. So me and Brian been working. My dad. We ain't really vlog nothing because we've been doing everything real quick, but we've been focused. So everything pretty much is good. We put the tranny up. All the bolts is on. Just gotta do like the shift linkage. Half shot's about to be done. Sign up the top bolts. Put some fluid. And that's it, and we're done. All right, so we just finished. I was supposed to have been done. Something happened with the car. I don't know what was going on. It wouldn't turn on at all. It wouldn't start for nothing in the world. I added some starter fluid and it started. It's driving fine now, and it's driving fine now. And it's turning back on fine, but it wouldn't turn on for nothing. Like the car wouldn't turn on. So I really don't know what it was, what the issue was. But I put some starter fluid and it started. So I'm just hoping tomorrow the car actually starts. I don't know if maybe like something happened. I like honestly don't know, but the car is driving fine. The transmission is good. Everything is good. Yeah, there's a lot going on. Like there's so much going on. You guys are probably gonna see a different vlog before this one of something that's been going on, like behind the scene and stuff like that. So but yeah, I'm gonna head home right now and then call it a day. The transmission is going in like butter. Shout out to my dude Brian, bro, for real, man. He's a real GOAT, bro, for real. It's a real friend right there, bro. Came last minute. I needed it done. He came through, helped me out. I think it's driving like smooth, super smooth. Let's see if I can hold the phone to downshift. Fourth started grinding out of nowhere. Look at fourth. Butter. Third. Butter.